Have you ever walked past a patch of weeds or woodland plants and wondered, could I eat that? Well, it turns out, yes, some of the most nutritious, delicious foods are growing wild all around us, just waiting to be rediscovered. Hey everyone, welcome to Natural Earth Living. Today, we're diving into forgotten foods to forage in June. The wild edibles that have slipped through the cracks of modern life, but were once staples for generations before us. Let's get to it. 1. Milkweed shoots, Asclepias syriaca. Where to find it? Fields, meadows, roadsides, and sunny areas. Look for young, tender shoots about 6 to 10 inches tall. They resemble asparagus. How to use it? Boil young shoots in 2 changes of water. Tastes like a cross between green beans and asparagus. Excellent source of fiber and vitamin C. Caution: only use common milkweed, Asclepias syriaca. Other milkweed species can be toxic. Always positively identify before harvesting. 2. Red clover blossoms, Trifolium praetens. Where to find it? Meadows, open fields, lawns, and pastures. Widespread across the US, UK, and Europe. How to use it? Flowers can be eaten raw or steeped into a calming herbal tea that supports hormonal balance and detoxification. Dry the blossoms and add to homemade salves for skin health. Tastes mildly sweet and grassy. Perfect for summer infusions. Pro tip: harvest in dry, sunny weather for the best flavor and medicinal potency. 3. Chickweed, Stellaria media. Where to find it? Moist, shady garden beds, forest edges, or under hedges. Low-growing with tiny white star-shaped flowers and stretchy inner stem. How to use it? Eat raw in salads, smoothies, or make a chickweed pesto. Used historically to cool inflammation and support digestion. High in vitamins A, C, and iron. Best picked in cooler weather or morning hours to avoid wilting. 4. Curly dock, Rumix crispus. Where to find it? Moist soil along streams, ditches, roadsides, and fields. Recognizable by wavy-edged leaves and tall seed stalks. How to use it? Young leaves, before they get bitter, can be cooked down like collards. Seeds can be ground into a nutritious flour substitute. Traditionally used to cleanse the blood and support digestion. Best time to harvest: early in the season while leaves are still tender. 5. Pineapple weed, Matricaria discoidea. Where to find it? Cracks in sidewalks, gravel driveways, compacted dirt paths, and well-trodden trails. Resembles chamomile, but with cone-shaped, yellow-green flower heads and no petals. How to use it? Crush the flowers gently. You'll notice a pineapple-like scent. Use fresh or dried to make a calming herbal tea that soothes digestion and supports relaxation. Flowers can also be candied or added to wildflower jelly recipes. Bonus tip: pick during dry weather for the best flavor and aromatic quality. 6. Wild black raspberries, Rubus occidentalis. Where to find it? Forest edges, along fence rows, sunny hillsides. Thorny canes with powdery stems and sweet, dark purple berries. How to use it? Eaten fresh, in jams, or baked into pies. Leaves can be dried and used as a mineral-rich herbal tea. Wild berries are often richer in antioxidants than cultivated varieties. Leuca-like alert: don't confuse with blackberries. Raspberries have a hollow core when picked, while blackberries do not. So next time you're out for a walk in June, don't just stroll, forage. These forgotten wild foods are tasty, healthy, and totally free. Just be sure to follow local regulations, harvest responsibly, and always triple-check your plant IDs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow nature lovers. Let me know in the comments what you foraged this month or what you'd like to see next. This is Natural Earth Living, and I'll see you out there in the wild.